Well, hey, welcome back everybody. If you watched my last couple of videos, you saw where we kind of were getting a little bit of springtime and we had all that muddy ground out in front and stuff, had the boardwalk built. Well, we thought we pretty much had it made as far as this winter weather goes, but I just wanted to take a minute to show you what we woke up to here this morning. A little bit of a spring storm. I'll show you. Not really the most appealing thing for April 11th. But what are you going to do about it? Not a whole lot. As you can see, it is dripping. It's right at like 32. That's why it's building up so quick and so thick. So everybody that isn't in this, enjoy it while you got it, because you never know what's going to happen. So, hey, I'm going to make some, get some wine going later, so check back in for that next video. Thanks.